How to disable comments on TikTok now. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to disable comments on TikTok now. So let's get started. First, what you guys need to do is you will open up your TikTok now, and this is where you will get. TikTok now is a new app by TikTok which is very similar to Be Real. So on TikTok now, if you have posted a Be Real and you want to disable the comments, it's really easy to do. First of all, you can go to your profile option, and this is where you will get. You can see we have memories. So in memories, we will be able to see the TikTok now that we have posted. So I'm just going to open up one of the TikTok nows that I posted today. This is where you will get, and you can see we have three dots at the top right corner. So I'm going to click on these. Then we have privacy settings, download or delete. Click on privacy settings. Here we have who can view, friends, followers, and then we have comments. So you can see allow comments, and this option is enabled. It's blue. If you want to disable it, you will click on it and it will turn gray. If it's gray, that means no one will be able to comment on your TikTok now and the comments have been disabled. So once it's done, you can go back. If we click on the comment option, you can see you turned off comments. This is how you can disable comments on TikTok now. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.